Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is Mike, aka Scarfinger, aka PTCAC representative, and I am doing this intro because I made a mistake when recording these videos. This is probably going to be the intro for the next two videos, so I'm going to probably use it on both. I recorded and I used a different audio setup, and it didn't record any audio at all, and so I have to do the intro like after the fact. So this is me doing that. I decided that I wanted to try something different, so I bought a hair dryer. And with the hair dryer, I wanted to try to see if I can do different things. For the first video, I tried Dutch pour, and it doesn't go as well because I probably should have had more paint. But also I realized that what I bought, the dryer with the attachment, it kind of like, where it kind of fans out, it kind of just blew out from the sides and not too much in the middle. I think it'll just be a little bit of trial and error for me in trying to figure that part out. And then for the second one, I intended to just do like a freestyle with the leftover paint, but then halfway through making the painting, I was like, well, I have the dryer here, so I might as well use the dryer. Now, the first one didn't go neither went as well as I would have hoped, but I learned a lot from each. So it's been a few days, so those paintings are dry, so I'll probably record the after effects, because I did not do the zoom in with the wet paintings like I normally do, because I knew that I was going to be doing an after when they were dry. So for the colors that I use, of course, the Artist Loft metallic white, which is my favorite white, and it's kind of like I gotta kind of do it over here. Metallic white Artist Loft, and Artist Loft Old Gold, Master's Touch Rouge, and then Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue, which honestly in person this looks way more green to me. It looks like it looks kind of green to me. I don't know, but in person this looks a little green to me. And then the Artist Loft Metallic Blue. Now the weird thing is, like, while I'm looking at it in the camera, these two look very, very similar to each other. Very, very similar to each other, and they don't look like that in person. They don't look like that at all. Like I said, the metallic cobalt blue looks very, very green to me. Maybe it's my eyes, but apparently the camera sees something different. So I just did, just kind of playing around and trying to get a feel for using a dryer in the paintings. So without further ado, this is going to serve as both of the paintings. Like I said, I was trying to do a Dutch pour with the first one, then I just did a freestyle, and halfway through the freestyle I realized I should just probably use the dryer, since I have the dryer here, because neither one of them was, I think I'm a little bit out of practice, so neither one of them really worked as well as I would have hoped. But we'll talk about that when the video's over. Well, we'll talk about that at the end of the videos. All right, so without further ado, here's the paintings. Like, share, subscribe, do the things. here we have the final product. I like this one a lot more than the previous one. I think this originally started off, I was just going to do like just kind of a clean pour and just kind of tilt around and see what I can work out in the process. And then I realized that, like I said in the intro, I have the blow dryer and it's already plugged in. I just did the other one. Why not use it? So that's why I decided to do that. And I like this one a lot. Could it be better? Absolutely. This is only my second time using a blow dryer. Actually, technically, it's the third. I used a blow dryer before, but I did it all wrong, and I used the wrong kind of blow dryer, and it came out terribly. But that was like around the early days of me making paintings, not anything on camera. So let's just take a look. I like the how the colors work together. I probably should have had a little bit less white here and more white there, just kind of in the middle of everything. But all in all, I like this one, and I really want to do more work with the blow dryer. I think I'm going to do some work for myself with the blow dryer, but if this interests you, hit your boy up. All of the deets are in the description, and this can be yours. Just like most of it, to be honest, most of it can be yours. I am going to be working on a store. I do not want to do Etsy. I would rather sell them myself, so that I can set the prices, and because I'm not trying to rake anybody over the coals with this, but I have a lot of paintings, and I have a lot of paintings that I need to sell. So yeah, we got it. Peace out. Do the things.